Hello! In today's gospel, our Lord Jesus returned home to Nazareth. Take note, home. Well, at first, they welcomed His words. Okay pa. But then, when He reminded them, no prophet is accepted in his own native place. Bam! Their admiration vanished. Yung paghanga nila nawala. It turned into fury, anger. Ay. My dear sisters and brothers, this reveals a sad truth that many times, we stop listening from familiar people. People we know best, like family, friends, colleagues. No, remember this. God's truth can come through any voice. Remember that. God's truth can come through any voice. To speak correction, guidance, or challenge to us, God may use someone we take for granted. Okay? But the danger is, we disregard them because we assume we already know them. Yun yung problema. Or worse, because we don't want to be corrected at all. So, my dear sisters and brothers, what are we going to do? Please, let us cultivate humility and openness. Be humble, be open. If someone close to us corrects us, may we listen not with prejudice na, kilala ko na yan, ba't pa ako makikinig? No. May we listen with thankful hearts. Because again, remember, the Lord may be speaking through people we just take for granted.